Hello, everybody out there. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. And today I have the great privilege of welcoming David Hartley from Smarter Accounting Solutions. Welcome, David.
Greetings, how are you going?
Excellent. Thank you. Thanks for making the time. And in your busy day, I know you're quite busy and have a lot of clients you need to attend to. Before we really start, tell us a bit about your business.
Well, I'm an accountant who's got a lot of flair in the entrepreneurial side. But it all boils down to, as Brad Sugar said, accounting and numbers is the language of business. Mastering and knowing your numbers is a huge contributor to your business success. Okay, our business is called Smarter Accounting Solutions, and we partner with our clients to ensure that their business and accounting needs are taken care of, that we optimize their systems with the technology around us. We also then save them a lot of time and money and do our damnedest to get their business flourishing and making a huge success without the owner having to be there 24/7. So in essence, our business consists of three components. First of all, our advisory services, okay? Secondly, our compliance services from start to finish, so we can write up your books, so we can sign off financials. And thirdly, our software sales, which we have specialized in over the last 30 years. And even now developed over the last 5 years, our own two unique products, which I will tell you a bit more about later.
That's brilliant. So
Okay, carry on.
what made you, so why have you gone into this business? Why have you become an accountant?
Well, my dad was a chartered accountant, and I had a flair for it. I did my articles at BDO Spencer Stewart after I went to UCT, and then I worked as a financial manager for a couple of years. And then suddenly I got involved with Pastel Software and launched Pastel Software in Cape Town, the Western Cape, in 1990.
Oh, wow.
Which turned out to be a big success. We also rolled out quite a few awards we got in those days. And then I ended up, after working with Pastel for about 5 years, I went on my own and opened up my own accounting practice, which specialized in accounting, financial management, and tax, and of course, Pastel Software, sales, training, and support. I was the expert in Cape Town. So we won every year. We are in the top 3 awards-winning suppliers of Pastel in the Western Cape, and still today. We've actually won quite a few awards, as you can see over here, as an example, for first place. It's still our forte, although we are now spreading out to going into the clouds, and our key thing at the moment is to go virtual with all our clients, so they can get up-to-date information all the time to make the right decisions.
I like that. I like especially what you said earlier on, your financial aspect of your business is super vital. And I agree. I think that if you don't know your numbers, you don't really have a business.
Exactly.
Yeah. So who would you define as your ideal customer? Who would be your ideal target audience?
Our ideal target audience is business owners who we can work with, okay? In other words, someone who realizes the importance of the numbers and the accounting systems around it, okay? But most important, I want to deal with my clients who value us as their accountants. That is so that we can partner with them properly and then relieve a lot of stress off the partner, so the partner can focus on their core business while we take care of all the accounting side.
Brilliant. I liked it a lot. And talking about stress, and I know a lot of businesses are under stress at the moment. So how has COVID-19 impacted you and your business?
It came as a big shock, but with hindsight and viewing, it was quite a blessing in disguise, because it helps us reconnect with a lot of our clients through virtual communication, okay? And also, at the same time, a lot of us took some time out to catch up on important things, like for us, updating our websites. We've got 2 lovely websites we've revitalized. And secondly, updating our databases. And we even introduced a lovely CRM system, which is turning out to be amazing. So there was a lot of time to catch up, and now we're starting afresh. I'm very excited about the rest of 2020 and 21.
Yeah, that's brilliant. I like that. It's like pushing the reset button. And it was actually part of my next question is what are the one or two things or actions that you've taken that is helping you at the moment that is working. So you're right what you're saying, a new website, you're reconnecting with your customers more intensely and more effectively. Is there anything else that is working for you at the moment?
Yeah, one of our big pluses is that we've also developed our own software. I personally met my business partner about six years ago, Salvain. And the amazing thing is he was the original writer of TurboCash,
Mm,
another competitive product in those days. And together on my initiation, we wrote a product called Smart Bank Manager,
mm,
which now is running beautifully. And the fantastic thing about it, it works with every single version of Pastel Partner and
mm,
Express from old to new versions. Now works with Sage 1, Zero Accounting, and the TurboCash and OS Financials. Another amazing part is my partners brought out a new accounting package, which was the
mm,
best of TurboCash and the best of Pastel, called Solus Accounting,
mm,
which I'm also very excited about promoting next year.
mm,
And so there's a lot going forward. In summary, what our business has done is to consolidate.
mm,
Okay, we're now specializing in advisory services on the accounting side.
mm,
Um, we also sell Pastel. We're still in the top sales people on that side, but
mm,
we've also developed
mm.
our own software, which we trade under a separate entity.
Okay.
And my partner is constantly working with me to move this product forward. So we've got a very good package deal for any client that comes to
Yeah.
see us.
Yeah. That's great. A big question that I ask everybody, it's been said smart people learn from their mistakes and wise people learn from the mistakes of others. So what mistakes did you make along the way and how can other entrepreneurs learn from your experience?
I think the main mistakes was getting behind with small things like our database, okay, and upping that, and also bringing out a CRM system. Current because what we had up until recently wasn't adequate, and I've now realized the powers of having that information at your fingertips.
Mm,
And the other area is also to go virtual.
mm,
Okay, um, it's fantastic that we can now communicate with our clients at the push of a button rather than hopping in our car and sitting in the traffic for an hour and a half. Yeah,
yeah.
that's another amazing. So there's a lot of blessings in disguise due to
Yeah.
the coronavirus.
Yeah.
We all lucky to have got through, but there's a lot going to happen in 2021. I can see that from here.
Mm, that's brilliant. So if you could actually turn in, well, let's ask the question a bit different. If you can hop into a time machine and you can only turn the clock back by 12 months, what would you have done differently?
As I said, getting my databases up to date and being more virtual with our clients, because a lot of the clients are still on the old systems. Our main objective now for the rest of 2020 and 21 is to get them real time into the clouds. Not everybody can do it, but a lot of people are moving quicker in that direction. And then we can actually offer a very good CFO package deal with those type of clients because we are connected with them the whole time.
Mm,
And that's a part I'm very excited about the future, and we are certainly going to be promoting that a lot.
mm. Brilliant. So, David, I've got all your details and everybody out there, please, everything is listed below your website, your contact number, contact details, email. Is there anything that you are offering at the moment that the audience out there needs to contact you immediately? Anything they can take advantage of?
Yes, we have a wide range of products, including our Smart Bank. And
Mm,
here's an example of our CD, which I produced personally quite a few years ago. We offer 30% discount on all Pastel software
wow.
sales and and also Smart Bank, which also can work with it. It's a
Mm,
very good bank manager package, which everybody is raving about.
mm,
So look at our website, you'll see the information up there. And also, we always give a free business and tax consultation to anybody needing help. Okay, we normally then ask you on that interview, where are you at the moment? How did the coronavirus affect you? And where would you like to be?
mm,
And we'll certainly roll up our sleeves and help that type of client to turn their business around
mm.
and become successful again.
Brilliant.
It's been a tough time, but that's where we specialize in.
That's brilliant. So, getting to my last question. So, what is the most inspiring thing for you at this given point?
as I said, the excitement about 2021, and the message I also want to give all our customers is to value your accountant, because there are so many people who you need to be working with, but the accountant is the most important to partner with. We are a value to every client, not a cost, and our clients need to understand that. It's because the value of the services, especially about the future, where businesses are going, and having real-time information and being able to make accurate predictions and advisory services in that range is so important. And clients must realize that we are not a cost to them. We are a high-value asset, okay? And
Brilliant.
we are the essence of their businesses and the numbers that go around it. So that is so important.
Yeah.
So that's the
Absolutely.
exciting part about it.
Yeah. Yeah. I think that's absolutely brilliant. Because if you have a power team which is surrounding your business, and an accountant is a very valuable part of that, I mean, it's just giving you real-time information, as you said it. I think it's super valuable what you shared. Yeah, I just wanted to say thank you so much for doing this interview. I'm super impressed about your business and your services that you're offering, and I can only highly recommend anyone out there to please reach out to David. He does amazing work, and like what you said, David, you want to partner with business owners so that they can actually move forward stress-free.
Exactly. That's exactly where we go.
Thank you so much, David. It's been a real pleasure, and I'll be definitely touching base with you afterwards. And have a very good business day, or what do you want to call it? Have a successful day still. Let's call it this way.
Thank you.
Thanks, David.